guys, so I'm here with my last review for today, and she's big. Look at me trying to tame her down still. She is big. Okay, so this is one of the It's a Wig HD lace wigs, and she is called HD Lace Logan. I have her in the color TT1B/Honey Auburn. The color now is gorgeous. The style is gorgeous, but I think it's just way too much hair. Now I did go ahead and finger comb this, and if I knew that it was gonna grow on me, like get bigger once I finger combed it, I probably wouldn't have. I probably would have just added some lightweight oil to it just to tame it down a little bit. But I think if I add some curling mousse to it, it will, you know, bring the volume down some more, because it kind of like wets it in a sense, so I might bring it together. But for now, listen, I have lightweight oil in it, but like I said, I did finger comb it, so it grew on me. So right now I'm just trying to like tame it down a bit, just pull on it a little bit so it can go down. But the waves on this is really nice. Like before I finger combed it, it looked a little bit different. It just looked like some big waves, and once I finger comb it, it looks like some small kind of waves. Like I don't know how to explain it, but you guys can see what I'm talking about. But anyway, this is a HD lace wig, like I mentioned before. So I did add some lace tint spray to it. You guys saw up front. This is what the stock card looks like right here. This is it right here. Looks pretty on the model, and of course it comes in so many other colors as well. But yeah, the parting space was clear enough straight out the box, so all I had to do was add some powder to it. And I did go in with the heat and added some, you know, heat up top in the parting space. It is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. It came with baby hairs, so I utilized that a little bit. And in terms of the cap, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps, and it's a regular cap construction, so there's no stretchable mesh net material, there's no elastic band, there's nothing like that. It's just like a regular cap construction. Okay, I would say it's about medium in cap size, medium probably to large. There's extra room in there, not too much stretch, but there's extra room. Let me know what you think about this hair, you guys. Let me know if you love this big hair. I mean, I love big curly hair, but I don't know, this one just seems a little bit too big and poofy for me. Like this is all the hair to the front. You don't have to wear it like that. Obviously you could pull it back if you want to, make like a little ponytail back there, or you know, make a little updo or something. You don't have to wear it all down, but if you do want to wear it down and you don't want it so big, I would definitely suggest that you add some curling mousse to it, like I said, just to tame it down some more. But anyway guys, I think this is pretty much it. In terms of the texture, it has a light yaki hair texture, and yes, it does feel like it's gonna tangle pretty easy. I did get some strands from this, so keep that in mind. But yeah, this is it. If I forget to mention anything, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll make sure to answer you as soon as possible. If you guys would like to purchase, the link would be down there as well. Well, the link will be in the description box along with all the colors that it comes in, so you guys can go click on that and purchase, and you will be able to see all the products that I use for this here as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at Wig Types, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.